Good morning mga kabuchi! Welcome to our channel. So today mga kabuchi, we will have our garden diary for week number 7 of year 2025. So right now, we are checking on our sining panigang mga kabuchi. Wala may bunga but they're beginning to have flowers mga kabuchi. So we're just not fortunate enough mga kabuchi to have some fruits from our signing panigang right now. Though we have so many sagbut here mga kabuchi. Let's try to remove them. Dagkan kan sila mga kabuchi pero medicinal na ba ni siya nga plant mga kabuchi? But then we will just remove some mga kabuchi. And then na may tamatis na saag mga kabuchi And then this is supposed to be our nagugtang mo na tong sili mga kabutsi man ay nabilin sa sili kani sili ni mga kabutsi atong gitanom. So there is a problem in the soil here mga kabutsi. It may be because of the poo of the mingming mga kabutsi. So hopefully mga kabutsi basin ma-improve ang quality sa soil mga kabutsi. And plants will be able to survive here mga kabutsi. Even the grasses mga kabutsi have a hard time growing in this kind of soil where the cats deposited the popo. OMG. Diba? So that's the problem of this area mga kabutsi. And then here improve naman sila mga kabutsi, no? Improve na. So okay na ni siya diri mga kabutsi. And then we have an ampalaya here mga kabutsi. So daot lagi kaayo ang ampalaya mga kabutsi daot kayo. Mga kabutsi, we started putting some fence mga kabutsi because as I've said, the meaning mga kabutsi will visit here often mga kabutsi. So that's why our plants did not survive like this ampalaya mga kabutsi So the growth of the plant is affected because the stem here mga kabutsi, I think natamakan na siya. We also have another tomato here mga kabutsi. So I don't know if it will survive mga kabutsi. I hope it will. And then look at it's almost 12 o'clock mga kabutsi. It's 11:23 in the morning mga kabutsi. So that is why you can observe that the leaves of our ginger mga kabutsi looks like a withering plant mga kabutsi. So it's because of the sunlight. So our lemon mga kabutsi is the winner here. Daghang lamok. And then we have also here the lime mga kabutsi. So at least this part of the day mga kabutsi, they started getting sunlight. But I need to kono lamok diri ang daghan kay lamok. Daghan lamok mga kabutsi. So let's start weeding the grass mga kabutsi, including the ampalaya because we don't need the ampalaya to grow here mga kabutsi in our garden. Our priority here in this area mga kabutsi is the lemon. So we need to weed the grasses mga kabutsi because the priority is the lemon. This one also is not a priority here in our garden, mga kabuchi. And then, daghan na ani eh. Mura man ni og kuan. So, we planted a few beans, mga kabuchi, but some are not growing. I don't know. So, that's it. So, hala, ano man siya? Init day kayo. So, this is how the ground looks like, mga kabuchi. And then, we already harvested our talong, mga kabuchi. And then, the next generation of our talong are still flowers, mga kabuchi, like this one. Still flowers. And then, look at our trellis. So, the beans are already up here, mga kabuchi. And then, we have 3 fruits here. Kanira man, gamaya ra unig bunga niya, mga kabuchi. But maybe the number of fruits will improve by next week, mga kabuchi. So, hoping lang ta that it will improve. Ay, nako. So, short update lang ta, mga kabuchi. Kay, we will not have any garden activity. So, we will just do a little bit of weeding, mga kabuchi. Kay, mura nag-forest ang atuang garden. It's not good. No? Sila lang ang nanambok. Okay. So, just a little bit of weeding. Weeding. Okay. Here's sad, mga kabuchi. Let's remove the weeds, mga kabuchi. So, ay, there's an, okay, sorry, mga kabuchi. There is an ampalaya over here. See, an overhead fruit here. Oh, nice ampalaya. So this is from the wild, mga kabuchi, because the stem comes from outside, mga kabuchi. So this is wild and this is growing big. Okay. So at least we have an ampalaya for harvest day. But not today. Maybe, I don't know if it can survive until next week. I think it will mature na next week. So this will be the end of our video, mga kabuchi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.